Hello, my beautiful crafty friends. I hope you're having an incredible day. First off, I want to say thank you to everyone who commented. Oh my gosh, I felt the love so much. It was just so heartwarming to know that I had been missed and that everyone was very patient and forgiving that I'd been gone for so long. So thank you for that. I appreciate that so much. It's such an interesting thing to feel so much heartfelt love from people that I don't know. It's a very, very cool thing, the YouTube community. I don't know, I'm very much in awe of the love and caring that I'm receiving from all of you, and I thank you so much for it and appreciate you very, very much. You're getting a tiny bit of a sneak peek of my new studio behind me. I will be doing a full studio tour, and I'm actually going to do a house tour for you as well, because I figure it's artistic in its own way. I'm not doing major remodeling, but I am doing surface remodeling of pretty much the whole house. So I'm going to show you before pictures and after pictures of that soon. It's not done yet. It's probably, I think it's going to be done in a couple weeks, but it'll probably be at least a month. But you will eventually see it all. For now, let's announce the winners. And next Friday, I will have my first video in my new studio, which I'm so excited about. I can't wait to get crafting. All right, so in no particular order, chosen completely at random, here are the 3 winners who each get a Lunar Sun Creations album tutorial. Okay, so the first one is, I don't know your actual name, but your YouTube channel is called It's My Playhouse. Yay! The second one is Sandy Griffin. And the third one is Shawna Peckens. All right, lovely ladies, thank you so much for your wonderful comments. And if you would please email me or message me via Etsy and let me know, remind me which particular tutorial that you would like to receive, and I will email that off to you. And yeah, that's it. So next Friday, I think looking around my studio, I can actually start creating some things. It's not completely finished, but I will start doing tutorials again and project shares every Friday. Okay, so congrats again, and I hope you're all doing wonderful, and I will see you again next Friday. Sending you huge, huge, huge hugs. I can't hug with this arm because it's holding the camera, but a one-armed hug. Such a nerd. Okay, bye!